everybody and welcome to this video. Today we're going to take it right back to the very beginning, and I'm going to talk through what you need to start the amazing hobby that is crocheting. So keep watching. And welcome to this back to basics video. I've had a lot of people asking on the group what they need to start crocheting, so I thought I would do a video about it, and then we're gonna kind of do a bit more simple videos, so chains, like properly back to basics. If you do already have your stuff to crochet, there is a wealth of videos on this YouTube channel. I will put them in the description box below, the playlist for beginners. Also more advanced stitches and easy projects. If you are new to this channel, hello and welcome. My name's Alexandra and I run Crochet Beginners Group over on Facebook, where we have over 100,000 enthusiastic and talented crocheters from all over the world. So a big welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. So let us start with what you need to get crocheting. So crocheting starts off as a really inexpensive hobby, and then I'm not gonna lie, it's costing me a lot of money now, but hey. So what you need to get going is a hook and some yarn. So what I'm going to talk about is your hook. So first of all, you just need a simple hook. So these hooks come in all different shapes, sizes, etc. So this is just a 4mm simple aluminium or aluminum hook. You can get these in the range, you can get them in Hobbycraft. If you're in the UK, off of Amazon. They are really simple, they're really cheap. They cost about £1, £1.50. You can also get plastic hooks. So to start off with, I would just go for a simple hook like this, 4mm. As the yarn that I'm going to suggest to use to start off with calls for a 4mm hook. So you can also get hooks in bamboo. These are really cheap, and these are really good if you're going on holiday and you're going on a plane and you want to take your hook and you're not sure about the airline rules. So you can grab yourself a bamboo hook. This one's 4mm. And once you've got going, you can invest in a more expensive hook. So I love these hooks. So these have a silicone handle, they're not latex, which is really good if you've got a latex allergy. This is a Clover and More hook. They're around £6 to £8 each. You can buy them in a big pack, and I think the big pack for lots and lots of sizes is around £40. So they are quite expensive, but honestly this hook is my favourite and I use it all the time and I love it. But first of all, if you're just starting out, I would just go for one of these just to see if you like it or not. Now, yarn. So sorry, I've got my back to you, I do apologise. Yarn comes in all sorts of shapes, sizes, etc. What I would do if I was just starting out is I would just go for, sorry the light in here is going to shine on that, I would go for something called double knit. So double knit means that it's 8 strands of the yarn twisted together. That's what it means by double knit. So it's perfect. I would go for acrylic. Acrylic is the easiest to start off with, and if you look, let me get really close. Oh, you might not be able to see it. Let me pull that curtain. No, that's not going to make any difference. On the back, I will take a picture. So on the back of your yarn, you have all these little symbols here, and it should tell you, it says needle size, and on this one it is 2 like knitting needles crossed over, and it says 4mm or US size 6. So you want to look for that. That's needle size for crochet and for knitting. So acrylic, DK, I would go for a 4mm. Now this yarn is quite cheap. It is, Robin is a budget brand, but it is so lovely, and it doesn't split like a lot of the other cheap brands tend to split. These cost around £2 to £3 for 100 gram ball, which is one of these. Now you can also get, but I would not recommend to start with, there's bigger, thicker types of yarn. So this is Bernat, however you say it, I always say it wrong. And this is like a baby blanket yarn. So you need about an 8mm hook to use this. And because it's chenille, it is quite stiff to work with when you're trying to pop your hook through. So I wouldn't start with one of these. You can also get cotton. Now this one's really nice. This is also 4mm hook. Let me just double check. It should be, because that's what I'm using. Yeah, 4mm hook. So this is a baby cotton. Cotton tends to be a bit more expensive because obviously acrylic is a man-made fibre. It is plastic, so if you're trying to reduce your plastic, maybe not go for the acrylic, go for a cotton. But these are around these are around £4.50 in the UK for 100 grams. So there is like a bit of a difference, but if you're more environmentally friendly and prefer cotton, that's fine. You can also get, there's so many brands out there. There's also Karen Simply Soft, which is quite good, but this, you need a 5mm hook to work with Karen Simply Soft. I will take a picture and pop it in of all the, see this calls for a 5mm. I'll take a picture and pop it in of the like instructions. It also tells you how to wash it, the size. If it's American, it'll have like medium, so a 4 yarn, but this is just a little bit bigger, and this is a bit more expensive, this yarn as well. But like I said, I would just go for something really simple like a robin double knit, a £1.50 crochet hook, and you will be good to go. That is all you need, and you will soon be addicted. So that is it for this beginner's video. I just thought I would show you my massive hook. So I got this from Wool Couture at Wool Wonder. This is a 20, I think. This is massive, but I only bought it to look pretty, really. So that is it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will leave the playlist to all the simple stitches and other videos that I have down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you have any questions, and also check us out on Facebook Crochet Beginners Group. I will leave all the information down below. So that is it. Happy crocheting. Take care.